But today, Jason, was the hottest day of the year so far. We did reach a high of 102 degrees at DFW officially, and this happened right before 4, and it only lasted for about 3 minutes before that temperature dropped right back to about 101, and now it's at 100. But we do still have that heat advisory in place until 8 this evening. So if you still have any plans this evening, still make sure that you're hydrating. This is not going to be extended into the weekend except for areas in central Texas. And it's because, again, the heat index will technically be below that criteria, which is 105 or higher. So this weekend, a high of 101 on Saturday, 100 on Sunday. Yes, it's still going to be very hot. We are looking at a small potential for rain on Saturday. Most of us will not see a drop. Before I show you that rain potential, I want to show you a different view of Dallas. This is our Dallas Baptist University camera, 101 degrees registering there. You can still see a really slight haze on the horizon there. The other thing that the front does for us is it clears out any of the Saharan dust that we've been talking about. Look at this. This is Friday around 4 or 5 in the afternoon. You see this. You see that bright green that you see there. That's the dust. As that front sinks south, look at how it pushes that dust out of here. So we'll be clearer over the weekend. If you've been struggling with allergy-like symptoms because of that dust, it'll be out of here. And look at the rain potential. Again, it's not a lot. I'm going to stop the clock around 6 in the morning. That's about the time the front makes it along the I-20 corridor there. You can see a little shower popping up, maybe along the west. Our southwestern counties have the best opportunity to see this rain, but it's going to hold off until, say, afternoon hours between 3, 4, 5 in the afternoon. Our coverage on Saturday, only 10%. Like I said, most of us stay completely dry. The other thing that this front does is, well, besides bring us the small potential for rain, again, not a whole lot, a trace to a tenth, it will be slightly less humid. Again, not a big difference. Today, the heat index was at 107. On Saturday, 102, 101 on Sunday. So that's something else that we have the front to thank for. Now next week, that's all gone because the heat index will be back to over 105 as early as Tuesday as the temperatures stay in the triple digits through next week. A quick update on the tropics. So we are still looking at a cluster of storms in Cuba, and as of now, it's labeled as potential tropical cyclone 4. That means that it does not have a well-defined center of circulation. It's not technically a tropical cyclone just yet. It just has the potential of being one, and the current forecast shows that it's going to move into the eastern Gulf. If you are traveling towards Florida, if you're traveling towards the East Coast, you may be running into some issues. So let's show you this forecast track here. Saturday, early afternoon, we could see this turn into a tropical depression, tropical storm status, Saturday night into Sunday morning as it approaches the northern side of Tampa. So areas in western Florida will be gearing up for heavy rain that could lead to some flooding and some surge, especially along Florida's Big Bend. So that'll be something to watch. Again, if you're traveling in that direction, we have no local impacts to worry about. Tonight, mostly clear. Temperature drops to 80 degrees. That's it. We still are dealing with some humidity, which is why we're not cooling off too much. About 101 tomorrow. The heat index at this time will be less than 105, so that's something to be thankful for, right? But hey, those triple digits here to stay. This is generally the hottest time of the year, and that sure is holding true because the next 7 days, all triple digits, Jason.